I hate war. Hello, my dears. I'm Honey. Today, amid the ongoing war between Ukraine and Russia, Honey wants to share with you some of my thoughts on war and peace. War is when each country is not satisfied with its territory, so sends its army to invade another country, to expand its territory or strengthen politics. War is a wrong and inhuman act that citizens around the world need to oppose and stop. Peace is a state of peace when people and nations get along with each other, cooperate, develop, and make friends. A peaceful environment is the most livable environment for everyone. Speaking of which, I firmly believe that none of us wants the war to happen. Yet Ukraine, a country that was once beautiful and peaceful, has become desolate and ruined because of war. Try to think of yourself as the people of Ukraine so that you can feel some of their pain and draw on something of value for yourself. How will you be, when you are living peacefully and happily in your homeland, then one day you receive information, your country will have war? That means you no longer have freedom, you can no longer actively do anything, you can no longer see your husband, wife, and children every day, cannot see your parents and siblings, not guaranteeing their survival. You can no longer clean the house on the weekend and then peacefully enjoy a cup of tea and gaze into the distance at a peaceful, blue, and sunny sky. You can no longer sleep peacefully in a dear room with a warm bed. Instead of cheerful smiles are tears of loss and pain, instead of beautiful dreams are very real and simple dreams, sometimes just wishing to wake up and know that they are still alive. And there are certainly countless things that we will feel when we put ourselves in the face of war in Ukraine. I hate war. I hate separation. I hate the brutality of war. I hate the smoke and fire of bombs. I hate death and destruction. Everything can be resolved in peace. Why war? Why let innocent people die? Soldiers also have their families. I'm sure that each of us, when listening to this radio, we are all lucky and happy to live in peace. So I hope you appreciate what you have, even the most normal jobs, the seemingly unpleasant and arduous things that we still don't want to do every day, like clean house, clean the room, wash the dishes, say love to your parents, be kind to people without sympathy, smile brightly at those around you. Keep dreaming and fulfilling your dreams, love and do what you love, forgive and smile while you can. Because you know, when we face the loss of our freedom or losing our lives, all those seemingly ordinary things become extremely precious and meaningful to us. At this moment, Honey and all of you, let's pray together for the war in Ukraine to end soon, for Ukraine to be as peaceful and beautiful as it used to be. And we, young people, let's bring a mind yearning for peace, let's grow up, mature, and build a peaceful country, a peaceful world.
Subscribe to continue listening to my English radio, where I will share interesting things from life. I love you. I'm Honey.